And it's good you've seen this before for the cleaning, because for some reason that video file didn't work. So, got it all cleaned off, same process as before, die grinder. Then we paint it with the bare metal primer. And then, since I don't have enough silver to do the whole bottom, I figured I would try it a different way. I'd put the center blue and the outside edge silver. And that worked. I just had to go back over it afterwards and spray the center blue again. And take all the tape off, and it was good. Had to clean a little bits off here and there because the paint went under the painter's tape, and just clean off the edge, and that all worked good. And then clear out the holes, same as before with the tap and die steps. And then figure out how best to pick this heavy sucker up without dropping it, and with the garage way too closed in and full of stuff, and without banging up the paint. And I think I managed all of those things. It took me a couple tries to get it in there because I wasn't sure where the edge went, but then I got it on and it slid right in place. And there you go. That looks like it's going to work. One more piece done. Infeed table is attached. And even though I did that one blue underneath, nobody's going to see it. I only did that with one layer of silver. That has the primer plus blue. That just has silver, but the silver is primer plus paint, so I think it's about equivalent. And I didn't want to run out of silver in case I need to do some silver accents on the fence, or decide to do some silver accents on the fence. That way I don't have to buy another can just for a couple little bits. Yeah, it's huge, which I knew but haven't seen in one piece for a while. It's very big. But I think the color scheme's going to work. I think it looks pretty cool. So, yeah, next stuff is the fence, I think. And then do all the final adjustments and tweaking and such. And get the motor and all the rest of the bits. But the only major piece left, other than the motor, is the fence. So the fence is next. And even though it's not painted yet, I figured I'd see what it looked like with the fence on, just for size. So, yeah, that's pretty cool.